Genesis, the birth of a digital revolution. Bitcoin emerged from the shadows in 2009. An anonymous figure, known only as Satoshi Nakamoto, introduced the world to this revolutionary concept. It was a purely digital currency, operating independently of any central bank or government. In its early years, Bitcoin was a niche interest, confined to tech enthusiasts and libertarians. The value of a single Bitcoin was negligible. Few could have predicted the meteoric rise that lay ahead. It was a time of experimentation, exploration, and quiet growth. The foundation for a global financial revolution was being laid. The true potential of Bitcoin remained hidden from the public eye. The early adopters, however, saw a glimmer of something extraordinary. They recognized the power of a decentralized and censorship-resistant form of money. This early community of believers would play a pivotal role in Bitcoin's journey. The early years, finding its footing. The period between 2010 and 2012 was a crucial time for Bitcoin. It began gaining traction among a wider audience. The price started to reflect this growing interest, showing signs of life. In 2010, the first real-world transaction using Bitcoin took place. A programmer in Florida paid 10,000 Bitcoins for 2 pizzas. This seemingly insignificant event marked a turning point. Bitcoin was no longer an abstract concept. It was a tangible currency capable of facilitating real-world transactions. As more people realized the possibilities, the price of Bitcoin began to rise. The road was not without its bumps. Bitcoin experienced its first major price crash in 2011. This was a harsh reminder of the volatility inherent in this nascent market. However, the setback proved to be temporary. The growing community remained undeterred. The underlying technology continued to evolve and improve. 2013, the first major bull run. The price surged from around $13 at the beginning of the year to over $1,100 by December. This unprecedented growth attracted the attention of mainstream media and investors. Bitcoin was no longer a fringe phenomenon. It was making headlines around the world. Several factors contributed to this price explosion. Growing adoption by merchants and consumers was a key driver. Increased media coverage brought Bitcoin into the public consciousness. Speculation also played a role as investors sought to capitalize on the rapid price appreciation. The 2013 bull run introduced Bitcoin to a global audience. It also highlighted the inherent volatility of cryptocurrencies. The price crash that followed in 2014 served as a stark reminder of the risks involved. This early roller coaster ride set the stage for the years to come. The crypto winter, a time of consolidation. The period between 2014 and 2016 is often referred to as the crypto winter. Bitcoin's price plummeted from its 2013 peak, hovering below $1,000 for an extended period. Many investors, disillusioned by the crash, exited the market. The hype surrounding Bitcoin subsided, replaced by a sense of uncertainty. However, beneath the surface, significant developments were taking place. The underlying technology continued to mature. The developer community expanded, working tirelessly to improve the Bitcoin protocol. This period of consolidation allowed Bitcoin to strengthen its foundations. The crypto winter, while challenging, was an essential phase in Bitcoin's evolution. It weeded out speculative investors and allowed the technology to mature. The stage was set for the next bull run, one that would propel Bitcoin to even greater heights. In 2017, Bitcoin experienced its most dramatic bull run to date. The price, starting at under $1,000 in January, soared to nearly $20,000 by December. This astonishing growth captivated the world, turning Bitcoin into a household name. It was discussed in boardrooms and coffee shops alike, signaling a major shift. Several factors fueled this meteoric rise, with increased institutional interest playing a significant role. Major financial institutions began exploring Bitcoin's potential, and the emergence of initial coin offerings, or ICOs, further fueled the frenzy. These ICOs provided a new avenue for blockchain-based projects to raise capital, generating immense hype and speculation. The 2017 bull run marked Bitcoin's entry into the mainstream, a watershed moment that solidified its position as a major force in the financial world. Despite a significant price correction afterward, the enthusiasm surrounding Bitcoin remained undampened. The world had indeed taken notice. Following the 2017 bull run, the subsequent years were marked by a period of consolidation and maturation for Bitcoin. Its price stabilized, fluctuating within a range but avoiding the dramatic peaks of the previous year. This relative stability allowed for a deeper exploration of Bitcoin's potential applications. Institutional adoption continued to gain momentum, with major players like Fidelity and Intercontinental Exchange developing Bitcoin-related products and services. Meanwhile, the regulatory landscape evolved as governments worldwide grappled with how to address this nascent asset class. The post-2017 period reflected a maturing market. Bitcoin was no longer a speculative asset confined to the fringes of finance. It had become a subject of serious discussion in boardrooms and government agencies, laying the groundwork for a future where Bitcoin could play a significant role in the global financial system. In 2020 and beyond, the world faced the unprecedented challenges of the COVID-19 pandemic, which had a profound impact on the global economy. Amidst the uncertainty and volatility, Bitcoin emerged as a safe haven asset for some investors. Its decentralized nature and limited supply appealed to those seeking an alternative to traditional financial systems. As governments printed trillions of dollars to stimulate their economies, concerns about inflation and currency devaluation grew. Bitcoin, with its fixed supply and independence from central banks, provided a potential hedge against these concerns. This narrative, coupled with growing institutional interest, propelled Bitcoin's price to new highs. The pandemic highlighted Bitcoin's resilience and potential role in a world grappling with economic uncertainty. It also underscored the importance of decentralized and censorship-resistant forms of money. The events of 2020 and beyond solidified Bitcoin's position as a major force in the global financial landscape. Bitcoin's journey has been intertwined with global macroeconomic events. The 2008 financial crisis, which exposed the fragility of traditional financial institutions, provided a fertile ground for Bitcoin's emergence. The subsequent years saw central banks implementing unprecedented monetary policies, further fueling interest in alternative assets like Bitcoin. Geopolitical events have also played a role. In countries experiencing economic instability or political turmoil, Bitcoin has emerged as a safe haven for citizens seeking to protect their wealth. Its decentralized nature makes it resistant to government control or interference, a valuable attribute in uncertain times. Bitcoin's value proposition is closely linked to global macroeconomic conditions. As the world grapples with inflation, currency devaluation, and geopolitical uncertainty, Bitcoin's appeal as an alternative asset is likely to grow. Understanding these macroeconomic forces is crucial to navigating the Bitcoin market. Predicting the future of Bitcoin is a complex and uncertain endeavor. Its price has been notoriously volatile, subject to the whims of market sentiment, technological developments, and regulatory changes. While some analysts predict continued growth and mainstream adoption, others caution about potential bubbles and regulatory crackdowns. Despite the uncertainty, Bitcoin's potential impact on various industries is undeniable. Its underlying blockchain technology has far-reaching implications for finance, supply chain management, healthcare, and more. As the technology matures and adoption grows, Bitcoin's influence is likely to expand beyond the realm of finance. The future of Bitcoin is a tapestry, woven with threads of innovation, speculation, and uncertainty. While its ultimate trajectory remains unclear, its potential to disrupt and transform industries is undeniable. Staying informed, understanding the underlying technology, and approaching investments with caution are essential in navigating this evolving landscape. Bitcoin's journey has been a roller coaster ride, marked by dramatic price swings, technological advancements, and evolving perceptions. From its humble beginnings as a niche interest to its current status as a global phenomenon, Bitcoin has come a long way. Understanding Bitcoin's history, the factors influencing its price, and its potential impact on the world is crucial for anyone seeking to navigate this complex landscape. While the future of Bitcoin remains uncertain, one thing is clear: it has irrevocably altered the financial world, and its journey is far from over. As with any investment, staying informed, assessing risks, and making cautious decisions are paramount. The Bitcoin roller coaster continues, and only time will tell where it will ultimately lead.